Okay, my dear friends, in higher grade, you have four questions in elaboration and you follow condensation also. Okay, for every elaboration, just I am going to give 2 seconds time in between and just I will pronounce as number one, number two, number three, and number four like that. Just you can understand that immediately you step into second letter, third letter, fourth letter like that, or just you may give 2 lines or 3 lines, whatever according to your wish. Now you get ready to take dictation at the rate of 120 words per minute. Number one, sealed tenders are invited for providing waterproof treatment to the basement floor of the Port Trust Fire Service Station from registered contractors of Class A who have specialization in waterproofing works so as to reach the Chief Engineer, Old Administrative Office, Chennai Port Trust not later than 15 hours on 15th of next month. The same will be opened on the same day at 16 hours in the presence of available tenderers. Estimated cost of the work is 15 lakhs. Period of contract is 3 months. Tender documents can be had from Deputy Chief Accounts Officer from 15th of this month on payment of rupees 100 by bank draft earnest money deposit rupees 1 lakh by way of demand draft in favor of the Chief Engineer draft tender notice. Number 2. From the Chief Secretary to Government, Public General Department, Chennai to all secretaries to Government, heads of departments, collectors in the districts and chairmen of government corporations, stressing the need to ensure quick disposal of representations from the public as well as from the business community so that the benefit of government's earnest effort in providing possible needed relief reach them quickly. Why I write this is the legislators and the public are often complaining that the administrative machinery is not responsive. He quite understands that some of the grievances of the public may not be so easily solved, but with some more additional enthusiasm and will, I hope our officials can impress upon the public. I request you all to kindly impress upon the officials to rise up to the occasion. Draft official letter. Number 3. Applications are invited from trained and experienced graduate and postgraduate teachers in maths, physics, chemistry, and from trained primary teachers in all subjects. Free boarding, lodging facility in school, and good salary as per experience. Apply to the principal, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan International Residential Public School, Bangalore, giving full biodata within 10 days of this advertisement with copies of certificates, can attend interview directly on 20th and 21st of this month at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, 30 East Mada Street, Mylapore, Chennai, between 10 and 12 on both days. Draft advertisement. Number 4. Draft a petition from the President, West Anna Nagar Welfare Association, 5th Main Road, Anna Nagar, Chennai, to the Mayor of Chennai Corporation, Ripan Buildings, Chennai, stating that the population of dogs in their area is very high and their menace is so severe that it is quite difficult for anybody going out in the morning to procure milk or elders having a morning walk because of fear of dog bite. School going children and ladies are also afraid of the possible bite since they group together and run here and there with unusual behavior, causing very frightening effect on the passes by. Send corporation dog van to catch them early and save the public from anxiety.